Hello friends, I am Anwesha and I welcome all of you to this channel Aspiring Banker Anwesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. In this video today, I have discussed a very important question for your mains examination. This is a new pattern coded distance and direction question. Now, this pattern was seen in both SBI PO mains and IBPS PO mains examination. So, there is a great chance that you will find this pattern also in your upcoming mains examination, that is your SBI Clerk mains and your RRB PO mains examination. So, let's solve the question. Now, look at the question. This is a coded direction distance. Here, x at the rate y. Forget these, okay? Forget this one now. X at the rate y is equal to x is north of y. So for solving these, at first draw the direction north, south, east, west. Now at the rate is equal to north. So at the rate is equal to north. So write down at the rate over here. And is equal to west. So here write down and. Dollar is equal to south. So write down dollar, and percentage is equal to east. So percentage over here. Now you have to decode this one. So here you have 4 meter and here 7. Here 6 and here you have 9. Here 2 and here 5. Here 7 and here 10. So what is the relationship? What is the relationship? So you need to find out how these numbers are coming, okay? So the easiest way over here, easiest link is this one. You see, here where 7 meter is given, here it is given 10 meter east of y. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay, plus 3 is equal to 10. Now here 2 is given and here 5 is given. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Yes, our logic is correct. 6 and 9. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 4 and 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So whatever is given in the left hand side, you have to add 3 to it. Left hand side plus 3. Okay, understood. So here you have 5 meter. 5 means what? 5 plus 3, 8. 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 plus 3, 4, 7 plus 3, 10, 7 plus 3, 10 and 3 plus 3, 6. Now you can easily solve this question. So how to solve it? Let's see. B and H 5 meters. So don't read it 5, read 8. Okay. Read 8 because we have already decoded it. So BH. So and means what? And means west. And means west, which means B is 8 meter to the west of H. Okay, so draw it over here. B, excuse me for my drawing. Wait a second. Yes, so B, here H, and here you have 8. Okay, then you have C and E. Don't take it now. Take something, take another relationship which is either B or H. So here this one has H. A at the rate H. What is the meaning of at the rate? At the rate means north. So this means A is to the north of H. Okay. A is to the north of H, and how much north? How much? It is 10. So write here 10. Okay. Now next. Now you have B, H and A. B, H and A, G and A. Take this one. Take this relationship, G and A. What is the meaning of and? And means west. So this means G is 6 meter to the west of A. Okay. G is 6 meter to the west of A. So take it from here. Take it from here. Take G. And this one is how much? This one is 6. Okay, this is done. So now you have BHAG, BHAG. So you can take this one, D dollar G. Dollar means south. Dollar means south. So D is to the south of G. 4 meter to the south of G. Okay. So take D over here, 4 meter to the south of G. Okay, done. Next you can take, which one can you take? This one is done. Okay, next you can take this one, $C. $C. Can you take this $C? No, C is not present, but is F present? F is also not present, so don't take this. C. Now you have $E and $C, and here you have BHAGD. Okay, so you do not have any relation here. You do not have any relation with C. C is not present. Okay, E is not present, F is not present. So what to do? So what you will do here is keep them separately and go to the question part. Okay, let's come to the question part. The first question is E@G. E@G 2 meter. E@G 2 meter. So what is the meaning of @ means north. So E is north of G. E is north of G and 2 meter. 2 meter means 3 plus 2, 5. So here instead of 2 we will take 5. Okay, so E is north of G and that is 5 meter. So let's take E over here. It is 5 meter. Okay, what is the shortest distance between B and F? Now you can find it out. How? Because here you have a relationship between C and E. C percentage E 10. What is the meaning of percentage? Percentage means east. So C is to the east of E and that to 10 meter. Okay, 10 meters. So how will you draw it? Like this. You can draw it like this. So C is over here. It is 10 meter, and then what can you do? $C. $C. So $, means south. So F is to the south of C and that to 10 meters south of C. So this much is 5. So here F will come over here. Okay, F 10 meters. Okay, now you have to find out the shortest distance between B and F. B and F, which means you have to find out this distance. So what is this distance? How to find it out? Now to find this distance out, what can you do? You can make a right angle triangle. How to make a right angle triangle? Look at this. From here to here is 8 meter, right? From here to here it is 6. So what is the value of this one? This is 4. Okay, so you can say that this portion is 4, right? Now join it like this. So now 8 plus 4, you have 12. Now you have to find out this distance. Okay, this one. So how to find it out? Now look at this figure here. If you see, this portion is 5 meters. Okay, so if this portion is 5 meter and if you draw the line from here, so this portion is also 5 meter. If this is 5 meter, from C to F the distance is 10, then from here to here it is 5 meter, right? This is 5 meters. Now if this is 5 meter, then draw a point over here. This one is also 5 meters. If this is 5 meter and from A to H, if the distance is 10 meter, then what is the distance here? It is 5. If this is 5, then this one is also 5, right? So this one is 5 meters. So now what do you have? 8 plus 4, 12, and here you have 5. So just apply the hypotenuse rule, Pythagoras theorem. So 12 square plus 5 square. So 12 square is 144. So BF is equal to what? BF is equal to root over 12 square plus 5 square. So root over 144 plus 25, which is equal to root over 169, and which is 13. Okay, so your answer is option C. Understood? Now you will surely get this question in your examination in RRB PO mains and also in SBI Clerk mains. Next question is E percentile D 6 meter. What is the direction of C with respect to A? E percentage D 6 meter. E and D. Now a relationship is given between E and D. So whatever you have in black color, just erase it, okay, from here, because this information is according to the previous question. We will not take this information forward. Okay, so whatever in black is there, I will erase, and whatever is in green, that also needs to be erased. Okay, so I will erase it. Okay, now I have only this much. Yeah. Okay, so no confusion. Right? Now E percentage D, E and D, there is a relationship, 6 meter. Okay, what is the direction of C with respect to A? Fine. So 6 meter means what? 6 meter means 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, percentage means what? Percentage means east. So E is towards the east of D, and that to 9 meters. Okay, E is towards the east of D. So this much is 6. So you have to go till here. E, and it is 9. Okay, what is the direction of C with respect to A? Now again you have to draw C with E. C percentage means east, so C is 10 meter to the east of E. C is 10 meters to the east of E. So here is C, and this one is 10. Okay, next your question is direction of C with respect to A. Very easy. What is the direction of C? This is south and east, so it is southeast. Okay, so your answer is option B. So I hope this question was clear. So, and I hope you have enjoyed this session. Please solve these questions thoroughly. Please solve more and more questions, and you'll get questions in your mock tests. Okay, I'll see you today at 7:30 p.m. There will be a live session, so I'll meet you at 7:30 p.m. Thank you. Bye.